everyone, welcome back to my channel Girl Next Door this side. I hope you all are doing well. So I'm so excited that in about a month Durga Puja, Dasera and the entire biggest festivals of this country is going to be around, and I'm so excited to have that time and share the preparation with all of you. And today I am going to take you with me through the entire preparation journey of the glow up. So please keep on watching till the end of this video because there's a lot of nice things to happen. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you have not done it as well. So let's get started. So for a glow up, the most important thing that I feel is good masking. Obviously moisturization and sunscreen are important, that I will come later. But today in the first episode of preparation for Durga Puja and glow up, we will do a masking session. So for that I am using the Biotique mask. This is Biofruit Whitening and Depigmentation Tan Removal Face Pack. As you know, I have a lot of masks. I have a full video on how you can do depigmentation using O3 mask, but today I wanted to use the Biotique one. So yeah, let's get started. I don't want you to be just an audience over there. Grab your mask, girls, and do this with me. It will be so much of fun with you all. So the mask looks like this. This is the color of the mask. And here is my mirror, so I'm again going to look this way. I'm going to apply this with my hands. My face is clean, okay? I just have a little bit of kajal and my eyebrows are done. Other than that, nothing else. So we will start applying the mask. So it's a pretty thick mask, but it's very easy to apply. It's gliding on the skin very nicely. And yeah, let's see what is the end result. So I have applied the mask in a very thick layer, and we are going to wait 20 minutes for this to get completely dried. And after that I will wash this and I will show it to you the final result. Okay, I think because I have applied a little bit too thick of a layer, it is taking a little bit time to dry, but yeah, we'll work with that. No worries. I think this has dried down now. The reason why I'm talking like this, I will quickly go wash it and come back. Okay, so I'm back and I have washed my face, and I think I really like it. I mean, I'm trying this product for the first time, so this is like a first impression video as well, you can tell. But aap log batao how I'm looking. I think it is like, I'm having a certain glow to my face, and there is definitely a visible brightness as I can see. But yeah, that's not all. After this we will go over to our next part, which is masking. Okay, but not this mask, sheet masking. And for sheet mask I have two options with me right now. One is this one from Garnier, and next is I have this one from Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid. Okay, so this is basically hyaluronic acid mask. So I think I'm going to go with this one today. Okay, so this is very important for a glow up. So I think if you do this once in a week till the time Durga Puja is coming in the next 1 month, this is going to give you crazy glow. So let's try this out. So guys, what happened is that I was trying in vain to open this, but I could not. But this one was much easier too. Anyway, so I'm not going with this. I totally love Garnier sheet masks, by the way, because they contain a lot of the serum, and which you can use it on your hands as well. So yeah, I'm going to apply this on my face right now. The smell is very light. It's It's not something, you know, if you are sensitive to strong smell, it's not going to irritate your senses at all. I have to place my mouth properly. Neck area. Okay, so with this we are going to keep this for around minimum of 20 to 25 minutes, and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm actually done keeping this, and now I'm going to remove it. Oh, this feels so good. Okay, my face is extremely hydrated. I think my face is looking very nice. My skin is so hydrated because this was vitamin C. It will also have a brightening effect on my face. You know, my face is all shining like a star. So yeah, now that the masking is done, this is not all, by the way, guys. After this, apply your favorite moisturizer in a very thick layer. Mine currently is the Cetaphil one right now, so please do use it. So it's really important that you do this you do this entire routine, you know, at the night time, and you know, sleep off with this, so that all the good things that you just now applied on your face gets its own sweet time to get absorbed into your skin and work its magic. You guys only can tell how my face is looking right now. Okay, if you like it, so yeah, that's it for today's video, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is one complete routine for a glow up. Okay, other than this, you will always have to do your nighttime, your daytime skincare routine, but follow this routine for once in a week. Yeah, I think my skin is looking amazing, and so will yours. Okay, and you will also glow like a shining star. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next episode. I will meet you guys very soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.